thing. Might have peed a little bit. This marketplace fine. Alright guys, so this is going to be not much of a video, but we've been out working in the cold all week and working on that side project. So I haven't really been able to get much filming done for you, but we got a little extra time today. We got done to work early. It's about 20 degrees outside. So I decided I'm going to finally unload the Diamond T off the trailer. But first we got to make sure everything starts. Mainly the SKID. She's cold-blooded when it's warm out. We're gonna see what happens here. You gotta do the double glow plug when it's like 40 degrees out. It's about 20. Probably give her a quadruple glow plug. Let's see what she does. It's 2. 3. 4. Oh man. Come on. Oh baby. Oh, she don't like it. We'll give it 2 again. God, is that wind cold? Oh, baby. Oh, she's gonna stay now. All right, so Skiddy's running. We're gonna give her a minute. Now I gotta start my pickup, which usually never lets me down. Oh, the door's frozen shut. Oh, good. Try to give her a little bottom. I'm gonna break the door handle. Give me a second. All right, so we're in. Don't mind the garbage everywhere. Oh. So we're gonna get it glow plugged. That was quick. See what happens. She ain't shook. Started like it was 60 out. Alright, so we're gonna let everything warm up for a minute. We're gonna go in the garage and warm ourselves up. We'll be back. Alright, while we're waiting for everything to warm up, I only got half the lights on. That's why it's so dim in here. But a little update on the fiberglass. Got it all skim coated in the front. All the fiberglass repair is done. Now we're working on finished Bondo. We got this whole side blocked and ready to rock. But we took intermission last Sunday from working on this because I knew it was going to be very cold. And the ceiling looks no different in the camera. But up on top of the ceiling, we are now fully insulated in the garage. You can actually see some poking out those seams there. But yeah, so I haven't had the heat on because I haven't been out here all week. They don't want to waste fuel. It's still over 40 degrees in here. With the wind chill outside, I think it's in the low 20s, high teens. So that just shows you how much the insulation made a difference. So yeah, just figured I'd share that with you guys. I'm excited. It's the first time I've ever had a fully insulated heated shop of my own. So yeah, it's exciting. Come on, you piece of crap. Alright, so got it all unchained. Binders are frozen, of course. The only thing that's going to screw us is these barn beams being right there. My plan is to put the ramps down. The SKID is not strong enough to pick this thing up because the motor and tranny is still in it. So my plan is to drive up, get the forks wedged against the front bumper, and chain it to the skid loader and just kind of drag it down off. I don't know how well it's going to work, but I guess we're going to find out. Everything's getting warmed up. We should be somewhat warm. I'm going to pull this thing up and just kind of get it to where roughly I can get it off the trailer in kind of where I want it for now, because I can't really move it very much. And I want to get the trailer unloaded because we're going to be going to pick up the frame soon. Hopefully pick it back up off of my buddy for the 73. So we need the trailer. Oh, the phone just fell over. It is windy as crap here. Let's try to keep it low so it don't blow over. Well, it's off. Damage control. Not too shabby. Don't see anything. Trailer's alright. Cab's alright. Didn't even hurt the barn beams. Now we're gonna unhook, get the skid loader out of there, hopefully around back, and then push it up into its spot for now. Yeah, I'm happy it was uneventful. Not for the video's sake, but for the Diamond T's sake. I don't want to ruin the thing. So we're gonna get the truck pulled forward, get the skiddy moved around. Yeah. Of course, I had to do some skiddy wheelies for you guys. Not much of a video, but at least you got to see that. Getting better. Been practicing. But the Diamond T is finally unloaded. The only damage we made was of the yard. But we don't need to worry about the yard. But neighbors are over there up on the roof. I'm gonna go see if they need any help, because it's 20 degrees outside and icy. But I didn't want to let you guys go dry this week without a video. I know it ain't much, but at least it's something. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Well, see you later.